Hello and welcome to Simply Solve's video training series. In this session we're going to talk about downloading and installing the LiAM application from our website to your desktop. Let's start by opening up a browser and navigating to the Simply Solve website at simplysolve.com. Then select Free Trial, read through our requirements. You must have Microsoft Access installed on your workstation to use LiAM. And we recommend that you have the latest versions of Windows and Office. Read through our disclaimer and then click here to download the LiAM folder. If you don't have access, you can download a free version of the Microsoft Access program at this link right here, but only do that if you don't currently have Access already installed. Okay, let's get started by clicking here. Then left click on the LiAM folder, left click on the open, and then we're going to left click and hold the LiAM folder and drag it to our desktop, and then release your mouse button. Let's close the website and double click on the LiAM folder. Now the contents of the folder contain other folders and files. Your production database is located in the production folder. Double click it and you're going to see the LiAM_D for database file. There's also a companion training folder that has a D1 file as well. The training folder is great once you get using the LiAM system. You can have users connect to the training database so they won't affect your production data. Also, we have a user guide and we have an upload template which is used in our bulk upload process. Alright, there's now a LiAM_U for user interface file in there as well. Go ahead and click it with the left mouse and hold it and then drag it over to your desktop. Now we can close the LiAM folder. So if you're using this by yourself, you can leave the LiAM folder on your desktop, or if you have a network that is backed up and protected, you might want to consider keeping the LiAM folder on your network. Also, if you have other users that want to use LiAM, they're going to be able to access it as well if it's on a network directory. Just make sure that they have read and write permissions to whatever directory you're locating this folder into. So let's drag it up to our simulated network folder. Then we're going to double click on our user interface. So if any other users want to try this as well, you simply have to send them this user interface, or they can go out to our website, to the Simply Solve website, and go to the resources page, select latest releases, and then drag the LiAM or open up the LiAM interface and do the same thing. Just drag that over to their desktop. They don't need to drag over the LiAM folder. That's only done one time and kept in your network share. Okay, so let's double click the LiAM file. And when it opens, you're going to get a macro error. We're going to select Stop All Macros and Enable Content. Now, there is a way to set up your Access database so that it doesn't present those two errors. To do that, close the LiAM interface, then go down to your Start menu and double click on your, or click on your Access icon, then open up a blank database and hit Create. When that opens, select File, Options, Trust Center Settings, Macro Settings, and change this radio button to Enable All Macros. Then select OK. Select OK again, close the database. Now we're going to go ahead and open up the LiAM application by double-clicking it with a left mouse button. And when it opens, we're not going to get that macro error. Okay, it's asking you now to connect to that LiAM_D file that was in our production database. So click here to connect, and then navigate to that network folder, or if you left it on your desktop, You're going to go ahead and find it. We did put it in our network folder. Then we're going to open up the LiAM folder and the production folder. We're going to highlight the LiAMD file and select Open. Now the user interface is connecting to that common network database. It will present you with an end user license agreement. This discusses the terms and conditions for using our software. When you've read through it, select I agree. At this point, you're going to be prompted to create a user account. Most people will authenticate through a network, so their username will populate here in this field. Simply select Create. But if this is blank, you're going to want to select Manual. Then enter a password, a question, and a recovery answer. However, since most of us will use our network authentication, we're going to go back to Network and select Create. At this point, LiAM is creating the first super user or administrator account. That administrator will have control of all of the features of LiAM. If you were to add additional users who wanted to test this program as well, you would have to create an account for them in the Administration tab. Simply select Admin, User, and add their username. The same network username that they have will go here as well. Then you will assign them permissions to view the different buttons within the program, and they will have access when they go to log on as well. All right, this concludes our session on the download and installation of the LiAM program. If you need assistance or have questions, feel free to call us at 833-TRY-LiAM. Or you can go to our website and go to our contact page and send us a contact request.